What's up everybody? Welcome to the Avenue Cafe NYC cooking channel. Today I'll be doing one of our most popular items. It is the chocolate banana bread. All you need is a few ingredients and you'll have amazing results. First up, I'll be starting with the dry ingredients. I have all-purpose flour, ground cinnamon, salt, baking soda, packed brown sugar, semi-sweet chocolate chips. If you can get the mini ones, that'll be perfect. For the wet ingredients, I have eggs, melted butter, heavy cream, lemon juice, vanilla extract, and 4 ripe bananas. The riper the bananas, the better the recipe will come out. For the tools, you'll need a rubber spatula, a loaf pan lined with parchment and pan spray, and as you can see, the parchment paper comes up above the rim of the pan, which will make it much easier to remove when you're done baking. I also have a stand mixer, which will make this job very easy. You can also do this by hand, but it will take longer. So I'll bring you in a little bit closer so you can see the mixing process, and also the recipe will be in the description below. Thank you. First up, I'll start by adding in the bananas to the mixing bowl. While you're mixing your banana bread, you'll preheat your oven to 350 degrees, so when you're done mixing, you'll pop it straight in the oven. So once it's almost smashed, you'll add in your brown sugar, and you'll let that go for about 2 minutes. So this is what you're kind of looking for, small pieces of bananas. So now you'll add your remaining ingredients. I'll add in my heavy cream, lemon juice, melted butter, and my eggs. And now I'll let that mix until it's well incorporated. As you can see, that is well incorporated. Everything is emulsified, and that is exactly what you're looking for. Now I'll continue to add my remaining ingredients. Next up, I'll add in my ground cinnamon, salt, and my vanilla. I'll let that mix for about a minute, and then I'll add my remaining ingredients. After 1 minute, this is what you get, a nice silky smooth emulsified mixture. And now I'm ready to add in my flour. And finally, my baking soda. So I'll mix that on low until it is well incorporated, but you don't want to overmix it, so you don't go more than 2 minutes with this process. So after about 2 minutes, this is what you get. A nice beautiful banana bread batter. And now I'll do the remaining process by hand. So this is the final batter. As you can see, it's light and fluffy. You don't want to mix it too hard. You just want to fold it over. And now what I'll do is add half of the batter to the pan. And I'll do half of the chocolate chips in the middle. And then I'll place the remaining batter on top of the chocolate chips. And you're going to place the remaining chocolate chips on top of the banana bread. So now I'll place this in a 350 degree oven for 45 to 55 minutes. So here it is, our delicious chocolate banana bread. You'll let this cool for about an hour before you cut into it. Don't it look beautiful? Chocolatey. So there it is, our delicious chocolate banana bread. It is perfect with a cup of coffee and great throughout the day. If you like this video, please try the recipe. If you like the recipe, give it a big thumbs up, share and subscribe. And you can also follow us on Instagram. And if you don't feel like making a banana bread, you can come into the Avenue Cafe NYC. We're based in Jamaica, Queens, and try this delicious, delicious recipe. Again, thank you for watching, and please share and subscribe.